Hi, I'm Jeanette Sadekhan, New York City's Transportation Commissioner. A lot of times people think of the Department of Transportation as the agency that fills potholes, repaves streets, takes care of street signs and signals, and looks after the city's bridges. But as you're about to see, New York City DOT is about a whole lot more than that. We're doing everything we can to improve the mobility for the people of the City of New York and make our streets work as well as they can for the people who live, work, and play here. And we're doing our best to ensure that New York City is the greatest big green city on the planet. On 34th Street, some people say that you can walk across town faster than you can take a bus. And some say the only way to get across town is to be born there. Here on 34th Street, you can see part of the new Select bus service, which features dedicated lanes, traffic signal priority, and in some locations, off-board fare collection. These innovations allow buses to move more quickly through traffic and allow passengers to get on and off more quickly. With creative use of new technology along with the bus lanes, Select bus service will help thousands of commuters get across town to and from commuter magnets like Penn Station, Madison Square Garden, Herald Square, and the Empire State Building. Intelligent transportation systems are playing an increasing role in our sustainable transportation efforts. This year, we're opening up a new Joint Traffic Management Center in Queens to help keep traffic moving and provide real-time traffic information for emergency responders. We're also exploring how to use GPS data from taxis to track vehicle speeds in much of Manhattan, and roadway sensors are measuring conditions in the other boroughs. In the future, we may also use technology to give better real-time schedule information about buses and parking availability.
Over the past century, Times and Herald Squares, the most crowded streets in America's most crowded city, had become a chaotic jumble of pedestrians, cyclists, cars, trucks, and buses. The diagonal path of Broadway cut into the Manhattan street grid and slowed travel times and created delays for motorists and pedestrians alike. Mayor Bloomberg asked the New York City Department of Transportation to find new ways to improve pedestrian safety and traffic flow. In response, the agency created a green light for Midtown. The department started with temporary materials to close Broadway to motor vehicles through Times and Herald Squares. Though 6th and 7th Avenues now carry more traffic, travel times are improving. GPS data from taxis show that northbound trips throughout West Midtown improved 17% from fall 2008 to fall 2009, more than twice the improvement at East Midtown. Blocks once clogged with traffic now feature pedestrian plazas, developed and maintained in partnership with the Times Square Alliance, the 34th Street Partnership, and the Central Park Conservancy. And people like it. Nearly 3/4 of New Yorkers surveyed say Times Square has improved dramatically over the past year. Before the pilot project, employees near Times Square consistently cited overcrowded sidewalks as a major drawback to working there. Now, 26% of those employees say they go out for lunch more frequently.